This is Wynberg Girls High.
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 We are Wynberg Girls High.
This is Wynberg Girls High.
Kukho ubuhle kuyanhlukano yethu kuba kungayo apho sifunda ukubandakanya kwaye sibe novelwano.
Wynberg isn't only a school, it's a place, yes, that you learn, but also you learn how to build a sense of community. And you learn about having a voice, which is something that I think every female in a country like South Africa needs. Hello, my name is Siba Tokwe, and I am the head of school for 2021.
So there's a space for everybody to feel included, encourages you to find your passion, and once you find it, you have like a home within a home.
Any sport that you could possibly imagine or that you want to do, we offer at this school, even touch rugby.
Ons verstaan dat almal uniek is. Ons eer en respekteer mekaar se verskille.
We aim to grow our learners' love for the environment. So we have a lot of places where our learners can get involved in. Beach cleanups, beautiful hikes, our vegetable garden and the solar panels.
We produce podcasts that are hot topics. We also produce videos that show the different events that we have. In our everyday lives, we need to communicate to one another and express who we are using our voice and how important our voice is.
This past year has presented enormous challenges to many of us across the globe, and yet at the same time we've faced unbelievable opportunities in reinventing and reimagining education and teaching and learning in particular, re-looking what does it mean to be a school of relevance within our current global and national context. At Wynberg Girls High School, we're very proud that we have learned many lessons over the course of the past year that feed into who we are as a school.
Courage, inhlonipho,
Aanspreeklikheid,
ingcibelelo,
empathie
And respect.